Okay guys, let's try to learn this John Henry song. I'm in relative gCGCC. Okay. And I have to credit George Gibson with some of this, because when he first showed me this tuning, he showed me how he played Darlin Cora. He said, son, you can also play you can play John Henry really nice out of this tuning. He never showed me how he did it, but I think he must have played it that way when he was young. So I went home and I learned how to play Darlin Cora, and then I worked out my own arrangement to John Henry, okay? And he also showed me this little run that I do. He does a similar run on Black Bottom Blues. So from the 2nd to the 4th fret on the bass string. He does a similar run on Black Bottom Blues, and I'd watched him do that same day when I was visiting him. So I kind of stole part of that little run and took his advice and tried to play John Henry out of this key. Let me try to play through it one time real quick for y'all, showing you the neck as best I can. I'm sorry, I'm stepping on some rotten boards here that are noisy. But most of this song is played just on the 2nd fret, guys. So you start out on the 3rd string open, and then you note the 3rd string at the 2nd fret. Well, when, and then the 2nd string open. John Henry was, back to the 3rd string open. Hey, and close the 3rd string again. Baby boy, baby boy. Then I go to the bass string there. That'll be the day that I die. That's it. That's basically it. It's a real easy song the way I play it. So I'll sometimes do, usually I do, well, when John Henry was a baby boy, just a-sittin' on his mama's knee, well, that big band tunnel on that C&O road, it's gonna be the death of me. That'll be the death of me. But sometimes, if I want to really emphasize part of it, I'll go. Well, when John Henry was a baby boy, just a-sittin' on his mama's knee, he said that big band tunnel on that C&O road. You see what I did there? So normally I'll just hold on that 2nd string open. Well, when John Henry was, but if you want to emphasize it, I'll go, well, when John Henry was a baby boy, his mama's knee. So to emphasize it, it's the same as the bass string run, really, because the bass and the second string are both tuned to C. So if you can experiment with sliding or doing that long reach hammer. You can slide or do the reach on the second string. It's the same as. See what I'm doing there? Is the same as. Whoops. Everybody messes up. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's a real simple song. And I advise you, I do the same thing if I'm trying to learn something on YouTube. Hit that little wheel. It's either in this corner or that corner. I can't remember which. Hit that little wheel. That looks like a little machine watch cog. Hit that, select speed, and then put it down to 0.75 speed, 3/4 speed. You'll be able to see everything I'm doing there. Alright, thanks for watching guys. You'll see me soon.